Imagine if you could move into a beautiful new home and have your tenants pay your entire mortgage for you every single month. This strategy is known as house hacking, and it is hands down the most effective way for new investors to enter the market with very little cash. By using a standard residential loan, like an FHA or VA mortgage, you can purchase a property with up to 4 units while only putting a small amount down. You simply live in one of the units as your primary residence and rent out the remaining spaces too. Cover your monthly debt and insurance. This not only eliminates your largest monthly expense, but it also allows you to learn the ropes of property management while you build equity. Once you have lived there for a year, you can often move out and buy another property while keeping the first one as a fully cash-flowing asset. It is the ultimate shortcut to financial independence because it frees up your income to invest in even more real estate opportunities. Let's look at the math behind a typical duplex or triplex to show you exactly how much money you could be saving right now.